What are you doing, Beefy? Hmm? What are you doing? That's the dock there. And that's the lake out there. But you're purring for some reason. Why are you purring so much? Huh? Because it's nice and warm out here for the first time in many months? In about 7 months? You rubbing against the dock strings? The lanyards? Ooh, that's a good boy. Very good boy. And handsome, too. Very handsome. What's happening out over here? What's happening over here, handsome boys? Handsome boy. So you still got some snow. Handsome boy. Oh, he's such a handsome man. He's very handsome. All right, Bubba. All right, Bubba's. What's a handsome man doing? Mm-hmm. You rubbing yourself? You're rubbing because you're the baby boy? Oh, that's a good boy. Oh, that's a very handsome man. Aren't you, Bubba? You're very handsome. Oh, yes. That's a good boy. Oh, that's a very handsome boy.